the best hand with two aces.
Yeah, but the threats are very real. Look at how much equity Jungle has, just 4% shy of Tan, and he knows that that board texture, when he makes it 55 to go and retains both of the other players, is going to have a good bit of interaction.
Yeah, a good bit of interaction, but rarely better than two aces besides king, queen, and pocket five. 65k to start things off. Because he never gets better to fold, he can only represent a very narrow value range. Plus, you don't want to blow out some really weak hearts that could be squeezing in this spot. You want to try to make flush over flush, and you want Andy to come along as well.
Which he does, and he makes trip kings on the turn. And I have to imagine Tan knows King X is... Yeah, I mean, granted, $80,000 is $80,000, but into three...
Flop, squeezer. He's got all the kings in his range.
Now, with Kate's having flatted behind Andy, or sorry, behind Tan,
It's possible. But I think Andy doesn't mind to see this very small bet. Feels alright about it, but he might need to still play cautiously with two opponents.
You got to be mindful of ace king and pocket queens in Tan's range.
Yes, of course. Andy's just trying to figure out, do I need to put in a little protection against the hearts? Or am I blowing up the pot and just self-stacking myself? Caution we go.
Yeah. Don't blame him, by the way. And now a very dry river.
I mean, to put in a block bet, your play really here is check, decide, I would think, or you just go for one more 20% block or so just to figure it out, but I do like this check.
Deflate.
He also has to ask the question is, would Andy hang around with just a queen that he can bluff off? He gives up, rightfully so. I actually don't think there's that much value of King 10 here. His kicker is pretty much the worst, but it kind of looks like you've got the best hand given two players have checked to you. But if someone is playing a bit of pot control with a hand like King Jack, you kind of don't want to value own yourself. If you do bet, you want to go really small to hope to get crying calls. Good check here from Andy, even though he is going to win it.
牛逼，哼哼，赶紧赢了。